Welcome to my channel. Here's how to resolve and report a failed Moniepoint transfer directly from your app. Open your Moniepoint app and log into your account. And what you do is tap on transaction or history on your screen. So you tap on history. Once you have tapped onto it, you locate and select the specific failed transfer you want to report. Review the transaction details. If the status says failed but your account was debited, scroll down and tap report an issue or need help with this transaction. Then you select the reason for your report, such as debited for a failed transfer or beneficiary not credited. Either of the two is okay for your report. And submit the report. You will receive a ticket reference number. Most debited failed transfer are auto-reversed within 24 hours. But if it takes longer, you can track the status using the tickets under the help and support tab. So if you need further assistance, you can go to your app, then tap on account or profile, select help and support, and start a live chat with customer care to escalate the transaction receipt with the 30-digit session ID that was given to you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.